Hello! To change icon's shape on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here, scroll down and go into the themes. And right here, from there we go into the icons. And we have all of the different icons available right here. And to get free icons, actually, you have to go into the top right here and filter only free icons. And as you can see, we have a lot of different icons, a lot of type of icons available. So all you have to do is find yourself the icons which you like, which looks nice to you. Let's for example select these icons. They have different shape, they are like kind of nice, and if you like them, so you simply press download and you can find all of the downloaded contents within icons in the menu, my stuff right here, and you go into icons, and here are all the icons which you have downloaded. And so you simply select the one that you like, press apply, wait for the changes to apply, and that's basically how to change the icons shape on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As you can see, these icons are different. Not all of the icons actually, only some of the icons have different shapes, have been changed, because for example, as you can see, the Netflix and Spotify, Facebook has not changed, but basically that's how to change the icon shape. Thank you for watching.